something wrong with you.
Let's watch this video so that I have some 1 or 2 things to tell you. Let's watch.
What's up, pretty?
Hi,
Good evening. You actually look so cool. Like, okay. Are you waiting for someone?
yes.
Okay. I don't know if I can just take some few seconds of your time. I have a hit song here from Davido, so I would like you to, listen to it. Is something cool? Alright.
I don't want trouble.
Let me just play. Okay.
I don't understand. What's wrong?
Sorry.
Something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. Something wrong with you.
It's a cool
Go
song.
around and putting this and playing this kind of rubbish.
Sorry.
See, respect yourself.
Sorry.
Mind the way you play all this kind of
I'm
rubbish.
sorry. I'm so sorry.
You going to give me the explain time. Body go tell you.